Alright, so Ryno come out with a new song named Breadman for Joshy. Is it entertaining for see Joshy Blak Ryno go at it? Yes. And this make me so happy for just to see Blak Ryno come back into the music scene. Unfortunately, it's for a clash, but not so unfortunately, if that makes sense. So come on, like, comment, share, subscribe. Breadman, Joshy, you're dead.
Joshy, dear bitch.
Alright.
Pass the switch and pass the extra clip. Hey man, pull it in a boy, walk it deep. Them no sick, pussy head no chip. Murder boy, make you no remember me. Party boy, Joshy, save your energy. Pussy a punk, so remember this. Aye, me tell the killer, bring my gun them over. Shut the bust them head up and me turn.
Pull it up, Ryno, pull it up. Come again. Come again. The delivery is just so calm, yo. Just calm and collected.
Joshy, dear bitch.
No shouting,
Pass the switch
no
and
grilling
pass
at
the
teeth
extra
like
clip.
Joshy. You know, like, just calm.
Hey man, pull it in a boy, walk it deep. Them no sick, pussy head no chip. Murder boy, make you no remember me. Party boy, Joshy, save your energy. Pussy a punk, so remember this. Aye, me tell the killer, bring my gun them over. Shut the bust them head up and me turn them over. And it no take me nothing for me run them over. Me head get hotter than the fire when me turn the stove. Turn them over, ha, easy for me run them over. Go tell one of the killer, bring my gun them over. My dog it not gonna take me nothing for me turn them over. Me run them over, the 45 I burn them over. No come no closer, just tell them say me run the road, yeah. Shot burn them skin and spray them easy like.
When me tell about flow and melody youth, Ryno.
Run the hose, yeah. We run the road, yeah. Fuck around and you pick up the load, yeah. We run, spend, tell me them they know you. Boy, no matter the damn planet big, me well connected. Remember that. Me can't tell about the place you come from, and boy, your challenges. Pussy. Boy, your body, you're sick in head. How much boy violate them
And
dead?
dead.
Lie. You will see in your father shop. I sell egg and bread. I want the bread man. Stop your knives and go wash the bread van. Now the bunny is turning a dead man. Fuck it.
Joshy love the badness returning a dead man. You hear? Go sell in your father shop, go sell egg and bread, man. Oh, humpty you.
Gaza, you will get the head bang. Sure, she can't go grand spend, nor Vietnam. Oh, me know that me connect well strong. Easy for sick man, chip we no take long. Gaza carry some badness is a exam. Me tell the killer, bring my gun them over. Shut the bust them head up and
Hold on, go back.
Now the badness are we turning a dead man. Fuck with Gaza, you will get the head bang. Sure, she can't go grand spend, nor Vietnam. Oh, me know that me connect well strong. Easy for sick man, chip we no take long. Gaza carry some badness is a exam.
Man say Gaza carry badness is an exam. Tell them don't play Blak Ryno, yo. That nigga is the one. He is the truth.
Me tell the killer, bring my gun them over. Shut the bust them head up and me turn them over. And it no take me nothing for me run them over. Me head get hotter than the fire when me turn the stove. Run them over, ha, easy for me run them over. Go tell one of the killer, bring
Yo, this is a hit, you know. It's a class song, but it's a hit song too.
gun them over.
Some Kendrick Lamar shit, bro.
My dog it not gonna take me nothing for me turn them over. Me run them over, the 45 I burn them over. Easy yourself. Fuck around with the wrong man, them boy. Easy.
Dog, man sound like him just start to sing. Easy yourself. Oh no, that man. Easy. Don't play me at this.
Dead. Don't fuck with the wrong man, them pussy. Easy yourself. You have to be careful of grand spin. Them with me.
Look up.
That's your business, and my business. My fire 2 gunshot and grab on my business. This a easy exam and not even quiz. This thing of them that share life like frisbees. Don't care where you come from, man. Say your link is dark like the midnight.
Go back. Yeah, man say.
You have to be careful of grand spin. Them with beating, yeah. That's your business. And my business. My fire 2 gunshot and grab on my business. This a easy exam and not even quiz. This thing of them.
Joshy man, I said this is an easy exam and not even quiz this. The man said, Joshy man literally saying you're not a challenge, bro. That's what he's saying. He's saying you're not a challenge and you need to step up your game, okay? Thank you.
Share life like frisbees. Don't care where you come from, man, search where your link is. Dark like the midnight, a total wickedness. Tell them fees himself, man, we kill this. Oh, the fuck, man, start worry the pitney. Go put your mama front of your hot door. What you mean, me no feed if I did not drop food. Me also no money, and no nothing that's new. Pussy, you say you're rich and your mama sell soup. Hey boy, I cried, your papa still at the shop in front of Frank White. We full of rat, full of roach, pussy watch life. Top.
That man make a note say him still have your location. Him know if he find you. If he can't find you, man find your parents. That should be careful.
Watch all the money, stop watch mine. So you stay a long time, so you ban bad mind. Batty boy Joshy. Sad man, I'm running out of gun spend you. They watch people things too much pussy. I'll watch you all the dance spend. To your youth. Yeah, you call gun spend name like you use it like a shit. That man even know you, bro.
Alright, yo. I'm gonna be honest. Happy is an understatement. I'm gonna tell you that I am so elated that Blak Ryno is back on the music scene because Blak Ryno has always been a phenomenal talent in the dancehall scene. However, we all know what happened with him, Cartel, and I like to know, yo, when a big man in business like Cartel and you fall out and producers well want to work with Cartel, bro, and every man I go push you, and every man I go broke bread today, you see me? And that was just the unfortunate event. But he's back, you see me? And that's all that matters. You see me? Cartel I give him back a strength, which we appreciate. Song, bad, 10 out of 10. You understand me? Joshy, this is how you're supposed to stay calm and a rhythm. Blak Ryno is calm, collective, clarity, and all that. You understand what I'm saying? No video, no guns, no nothing. Just strictly old style clash. Drop a song, boop, let it out. Make everybody hear it. When you're sometimes your video can distract the audience from actually listening to you. Because we're too focused on paying attention on the video. Now, me can multitask, so me can hear what you say and look on the video at the same time. And some of the last song Joshy dropped, and it's so freaking sad the seminar review Joshy sang them. I have a job as well, okay? I have a business that I have to operate. So alright, so yeah. It's kinda hard for me to do everything at once. So I'm gonna try for the Joshy video after this. So only can swap me and talk about. But Joshy's a good artist. As I just think Joshy showed too much over the rhythm. And that doesn't make you a bad man. Drive a rev up your voice and shout. You understand? So yeah. But anyway, song 10 out of 10. Joshy came out strong. Joshy came out like a real clash artist as well. So don't think say I bash me, I bash Joshy. Joshy came out like how we wanted Masicka to come out. Call name, this man, and all that. You see me? But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Blak Ryno, big up yourself, me J.